good?
Hey.
We're running a little slow today.
Where are you going?
Hey,
I guess we shouldn't have a party night before race night.
real quick. Go ahead, everybody go across the line. One at a time. Go ahead, Robin. Alright, so here we are going into our first round of points, and coming around that first lap goes Jason Flones with a 20.1.
Whoa!
Cody, nice lap for Cody with a 26.1. Tyler Wilbur, 26 flat. Down goes a pilot, I'm not sure which is out there. That was Cody, I believe. Okay, so coming up on a minute 20 left. Jason's on a great run with a 7-lap pace. Same with Tyler Wilbur on a 7-lap pace. And you pilots will continue on until I call you done. Do not listen to the tone. You'll continue on until I call you done.
So Cody, how was Bend?
It was fun, and it was like I posted online. It was a kind of experience that I needed, and a lot of other guys needed. And it was fun. Learned a lot.
Good.
That's all that matters. Well, I went
At
to the
this
grocery
point,
store yesterday.
good job.
Are you filming?
Yeah. So you went to the grocery store.
Yeah, that was my experience.
What did you get at the grocery store? Anything good?
No, not at all.
And Carson Phipps sitting out there on a 6-lap pace. We'll get reports from Kyle's spotter. Fast lap on the track is still at 20.1, 22.6 for Tyler Wilbur, 22.8 that time by. 27.1 is Carson Phipps that time by. Jason's laying down a bunch of 20-second laps out there right now, maintaining that 7-lap pace with 20 seconds to go on the master clock, but you will continue to go until I call you done. Tyler Wilbur is on the ground. Jason still continues to fly with that 7-lap pace. You guys all are going to continue to fly until I call you done. Disregard that tone. Continue to fly, pilots, until I call you done. Fly like you mean it. We got 7-lap pace for Jason Flones. That is a wrap for him, though. He did get caught. So, Jason, you are done. But I want all of you pilots to continue on until I call your name done.
All pilots are finished.
All right, all pilots. Carson Phipps, you are done. Fantastic job out there. Was finished up with a 6 laps. Jason 7 laps. Tyler 4 laps. Carson. Tyler. And Kyle.
Cody Kennedy. Carson Phipps. Two minutes left.